We are looking at the Axor. This one has white G10 handle. All right, let's take a look. 14C 28N steel. All right, we got the Wixco zipper pouch here with the Velcro. Nice little logo there in the front. And we got some paperwork, a wiping cloth, and here is the Axor. Right now with the, it says white G10. Kind of has a little bit of almost a green hue of some sort. Right? It's mostly white with a little bit of, I don't know why it gives me kind of like JG10 vibes in the middle for some reason. But the black and white definitely gives it Stormtrooper aesthetics. And on this one we have a deep pocket carry clip, exposed liners with sandwich construction, right? Milled liners, thumb stud deployment, and bam, right? That is what the Axor is all about. Check it out. We got a reverse tanto, sort of sheep's foot looking blade. This one has a black stonewash going on it. It is going to be a liner lock. So checking out the drop action here, right? Feels pretty good. All right, we can reverse flick all day. And yeah, so far so good. Very good action. And I want to say the ergos are going to be really good as well. So I got a 4-finger grip on the hammer grip there, right, with my average size hands, and I get forward choke as well if I wanted to. This little curvature on the blade there is perfect for your thumb as such. So if you want to do that, or back here, I can use the jimping right on the blade and get some work done. I mean, these are going to be super affordable, especially if you can get them at that 20% off with code Miguel EDC, right? You might as well. And the action is very smooth, right? Check out that drop shot action there. That's feeling very nice. Bam, right? Loving the acoustics as well. Let's go ahead and check out the next one. This one came out like that for some reason. Hopefully what's inside is not affected in any way, shape, or form. But let's peek inside here, and it looks like we're looking at an Axor, right? We're coming full circle here with another variant of the Axor. And this one is in pink, right? In case you were looking for a pink knife out there. I know a lot of EDC guys. I went through this process at the beginning of my EDC journey. I had to get my wife on board. And how did I get her on board? Well, I bought her a few colorways of different knives that were more her cup of tea. So maybe you like the pink colorway for yourself, or maybe you want to get your significant other, right? Your wife will have you on board and get her a nice knife, right, with the kind of the pink swagger going on. This is a nice take, again, like the white one that we looked at right a second ago. Again, we'll put them side by side here in just a moment. But one thing is for sure though, let's see. Oh yeah, action is right just like the first one. Very well tuned, good consistency across multiple different variants. Again, thumb stud deployment on this one for both thumb deploy and reverse flick. And what I like about this one the most is that finger choil right there. That feels really nice. Great for EDC. You can get up and close to the blade there and get some really good control of the cuts there for sure. This little curvature there on the blade. Like I said earlier, I mean, the recipe on this one is really nice. These are all very solid in their own right. Let's just call it what it is, right? So I would like for you guys to tell me which one of these will be your favorite, right? Again, we'll put the Axors here side by side. You can see the geometry there a little bit, right? Sheep's foot blade, liner lock. All of these are 14C 28N steel. Hope you guys really enjoyed this one. If you made it to the end, you're the real MVP. Hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your day. Take care, and I'll see you on the next one, either this one or this one. Peace.